In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive name permanently on your PC. This can be really handy if you're looking to personalize your account or need a distinct identifier for professional collaborations. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive's main page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. This ensures you're accessing the right drive associated with your current email address. Once you're in your Google Drive, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a small circle, which is your Google account icon. If it's not a picture of you, or if it's just a generic letter icon, don't worry, just click on that icon. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll notice several options, but what you're looking for is the one that says Manage Your Google Account. When you click on that, it takes you to a new page where you can control and adjust various aspects of your Google account, including your personal info. On this new page, focus on the left-hand panel and select Personal Info. You'll be presented with a variety of information related to your account. What you want to do next is find where it says Name, which will show the current name associated with your Google account. Click on Name to open the editing options. Here, you're able to change either your first name, your last name, or both. Simply type in the new name that you would prefer to represent your Google Drive account. Keep in mind, any changes you make here will apply to all of your Google services, so choose thoughtfully, especially if you use Google for professional purposes. After you've made your adjustments, just hit the Save button to confirm your changes. Now, your Google Drive name should reflect your updated choice. It's as simple as that. One important bit to remember is that it might take a few minutes for these changes to take effect across all Google services, including Drive. But once updated, your new name will show across the board. And there you have it, a straightforward way to permanently change your Google Drive name on your PC. Whether you're rebranding or just feeling like a change, these steps should help you customize your account just the way you like it. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.